Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening GitHub's sign-up flow and entering a valid email address so account recovery works. Next, pick a strong password and type the username you want. GitHub will tell you if it's available, so try variants until one is accepted. Once done, verify your email when prompted and make sure to save the password in a manager. These steps ensure you can log in and recover access, and they set up the account identity you'll use across repositories. After email confirmation, you should complete your profile and security settings to make the account useful and safe. You'll enter your name and a concise bio so collaborators recognize you. Upload an avatar to personalize your presence. Then, enable two-factor authentication for added protection or add your SSH public key to avoid entering passwords when you push code. Make sure to save recovery codes and test pushing a small repository to confirm authentication works as expected. Finish by creating your first repository and initializing it with a README so your account is active and discoverable. Choose public or private visibility depending on your needs, invite collaborators if required, and clone the repo locally to verify your workflow. If something goes wrong, first check that you verified the email. Next, use the password reset flow or confirm your SSH key is correctly added. If two-factor blocks access, use saved recovery codes or the alternative authentication method you recorded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.